Solving systems by graphing. In this particular case, I have two equations. Graphing by the intercepts is not going to be ideal because I'm going to get fractions for my x-intercept. So I took them to another place here and I worked them out so that I get it in slope-intercept form, solving for y. The top one is easy. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, and I get y equals 8 minus 3x. Second one's a little trickier. Since I have a negative y, I want to add on the left and the right, which means I'm going to subtract the 6 from the right. And when I flip that around, I get y equals 4x minus 6. So now to graph them, the top equation has a plane 8, that's my y-intercept crossing at 0, 8. And then my slope is negative 3, or negative 3 over 1. So if I go to my graph here, I'm going to enlarge that, grab my line, and say, okay, I'm going to come over at 0, 8, and I make sure in the upper right-hand corner up here in my yellow that it is saying 0, 8, and then I click, and then I go down 1, 2, 3 units, which would take me down to 5, and over 1 unit. So I went down to 5, over to 1, and there's my line. Okay, now for the second line, I see that I have a negative 6 as my constant, so my intercept on the y-axis is going to be at 0, negative 6, and my slope is positive 4, or 4 over 1. So I'm going to go back to my graph. I'm going to choose my line again. I'm going to start at 0, negative 6, double check I'm in the right spot. Then I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 to negative 2, and over to 1. And there we go. I save it and check it, and we did good.